How to dislike post on Reddit application. Are guys facing issues to dislike post on Reddit app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Reddit on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. If you don't know how to create an account on Reddit, make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. After you get logged in into your account, now go over the post that you want to dislike. Look at the bottom of the post where you can see the arrow for downvote. Tap on it. After you click on it, dislike will be sent on the post. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna dislike content on Reddit application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding Reddit app, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.